I used to think getting paid from abroad was just part of the struggle. As a freelancer in Nigeria, my clients paid me through bank transfers. But every time I had to wait for days before the money showed up. And even when it finally arrived, that was just the beginning of the stress. One time, I tried to access my dollar payment, and the bank told me I needed to upgrade my account before I could even use it. I didn't have all the requirements, and I couldn't complete the process. So I had no choice. I traveled to the bank to withdraw the money in cash. I stood in a long queue for hours just to collect my own money. It was stressful, and I spent extra money just to get there. When I finally got the cash in dollars, I thought the hard part was over, but it wasn't. I tried to exchange it to Naira, but the rate wasn't fair. Different vendors offered different prices, and after all the deductions, I ended up losing part of my money. That was when I realized there had to be a better way. Then, I discovered Raenest. With Raenest, I can receive payments using USDT or USDC through the Solana network. Instead of waiting for days, the payment arrives in seconds. And the best part is, if I receive 100 USDT, I get $100. No loss, no hidden rates. From there, I can convert my money into Nigerian Naira, Euros, British Pounds, or other currencies with a low conversion fee that never exceeds $2.7. I can also use the money directly. I can fund a dollar card, pay for subscriptions, pay bills, and even invest in US stocks. All from one platform. And unlike risky peer-to-peer trades, everything goes directly into my account, making it safer and more reliable. Now, getting paid from anywhere in the world is simple, fast, and stress-free. Open a Raenest account, create your stablecoin wallet, and receive USDT or USDC through Solana today.